So he's a good guy?
Yes, for me it's okay.
For you, it's okay. Alright.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Choose me, right? You know? Choose me.
Where is the baby born? You are shouting like Kia Kia in the hospital. Okay.
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं ये?
इजाजत हो ना हो कल मुझको तुझसे कल तुझ
सर खराब हो गया. कल मुझको इजाजत हो ना हो. You have to just balance that tone. That's very important.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात, ये बात है.
Let me just see this beautiful and this cute and this pretty and small girl, right? Come and tell them something. Come. I'll give you the opportunity, right? You want to hold this mic.
Okay.
And you just first of all have to introduce yourself. And after that, what will you talk about?
I will talk about like how I like do my face.
Okay, come on, go ahead.
I am Mahira Asif. I'm 6 years old and I am in Mundra. I live in Shiftonship and I'm in
Yeah, so son,
I'm in
we're a little confused. So what do you want to talk?
Like-
I'm sorry.
I don't
What do you want to talk? Come on, you tell me.
I will talk say I could talk like how I do.
Okay, no problem. I'll ask you some few questions. Right? Wait. Where are you going? Who is she actually?
Actually she's my like like khala.
She's your khala. So right. So do you snatch her wala? All right, that's fine. What do you think about these people sitting around you?
They would be at least I've met them today, so if I keep like knowing them, then I can make interest to talk with them.
All right. So it means now you're not interested in them.
No, I can talk, but if I observe them each day, I'll feel like by myself to talk each day.
But nobody deserves talking, I think. Do you think that somebody deserves? You look around and see that who is the best person to talk actually.
To talk, I think.
Damodaran uncle. All right, she's your khala. You cannot choose your khala, right? Please don't choose your khala. No, she's also your khala, then you don't choose khala, right? You know? She's khala's friend. Apart from both. Choose one, right? Who is the best person to discuss, to talk? That guy, Shani,
No, beside him.
beside him. Sagar,
Yes.
right? You want to talk to Sagar. Why have you chosen him?
I just choose him because I'm observing.
You're observing. So he's a good guy?
Yes, for me it's okay.
For you, it's okay. All right. Then he's okay for you. But what about others? They are not okay for you.
They are, but I just choose it because you said.
Because I said, that's why you chose. For example, if I also include myself among them, so whom will you choose?
Hmm.
Come on. I am also included.
Like you are also added. Then give me some time.
Hey, why are you taking so much time? Like, choose me, right? You know?
What?
Choose me. Right. So, what's my name?
I don't know.
Very good. That's fine. That's fine. You don't know my name?
Yes.
All right. My name is Sheila.
Yeah.
Do you believe?
Yep.
You think that my name can be Sheila?
No.
Okay. So, it's your first day, right? So, what would you like to say to build confidence? Like, you look so confident, I think. Like, are you not confident or yes confident?
I give it out of 100. I give it 50.
50 to you. So, what are your tips for these young people that how to build confidence? How to be 50% confident? Speak louder. Speak
Like-
louder.
Like who can like try to like then I can choose. I cannot know everybody.
Okay, come on. Yes.
This
She's confident.
I think yes.
You think yes. Why?
I mean no.
Who? He. Yasin. He's overconfident actually, right? I'm asking like how to build confidence.
Build like how I can build
Yes.
by improving every day.
How can we improve?
Like I'm just here so I can explore like how people are talking, how they're doing, and in that I can also learn something.
Okay, that's great. So you believe in learning. All right. So you have 30 seconds and tell them that how to build confidence.
By observing
Use your hands. Yes.
absorbing everything, like wherever you go, like seeing something really special. For example, I went outside and I saw a really special person who's talking fluently and properly. I became I was so like happy, like I was so like feeling like, oh, I wish also. So I learned, so I took a few of his, I was saying it. So I took a few of his words and then I sometimes I use those things, because it's not like that if you like them, because you have to also use them in your life.
All right. That's a fantastic thing. God bless you. Right. You have done good job. Thank you.
In 6 years, I was quite positive. So I did all these.
This is what, and that's what I want to say. What this child has. This child has no fear. Simple. फालतू का emotion आ गया है. Fearful form. So she has no fear. She has no anxiety. She's not judging herself. I would like to call.
Today, I am going to tell about my life story. So, initial days on 11 October 1999, there is a baby born. He was shouting like, Kia, Kia, in the hospital. Okay. In the Kia, Kia, there born a man called Dragon. He was very happy, joyful. He was playing, enjoying the life. Suddenly, her mother had took admission in the school. So he went to the school. Then his life became miserable. He was not studying well, but he was keep on going to the school. Then what happened? I forgot. Wait. Okay. Life was very enjoyable, but then comes the 10th exam. Somehow I passed it, but after 12th, I got into an engineering jail, which is very, very bad. At last, I didn't get a job. So, my 4 years are gone already. Then, what I done? I started a company of my own, but no one brought my products. Again, it got. So, I became a cat aspirant now. And now, I'm enjoying the Abdullah Sir class. That's it.
So, I want to
Sing a song.
sing a song.
Very good. Go ahead.
A few lines.
ऐसे जरूरी हो मुझको तुम, जैसे हवाएं सांसों को, ऐसे तलाशूं मैं तुमको, जैसे कि पैर जमीनों को, हंसना या रोना हमें, पागल सा ढूंढूं मैं तुम्हें, कल मुझको इजाजत हो ना हो, कल मुझको तुझसे कल तुझ
सर खराब हो गया.
That's great actually vocal, right? But I think you should use in his speaking also. His speaking में क्या बोलते हो, बहन जा रही है. Sikpasi बहन नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. अच्छा ना रे. Like work on your body sheen as well. You know body sheen? That's called bada shah.
Sha.
Bada shah.
Bada sha.
हाँ. And what is a pout by the way? हाँ. When, right? Weary. Okay. What was the song you sang? ऐसे तलाशूं मैं तुमको जैसे कि.
जंगीनों को तलाशो, जंगीनों को लाइक करो.
हाँ. तो आपने जो तलाशू बोलो एक बार.
Talasu.
ना यही गलती है. तलाशूं बड़ा शाह. Shoo. Right? तलाशूं. All right. So you have to just speak in the ऐसे ज़रूरी za. You have to just find it right, you know. So when you sing, I think Shani has great sound, but you need to work on your vocal, right? And your exact pronunciation. ऐसे जरूरी हो तुम मुझको जैसे हवाएं सांसों को ऐसे तलाशूं मैं तुमको जैसे कि पैर जमीनों को. You have to just, stress it. ऐसे ये you have to go in that, हंसना. देखो अब यहाँ पे लिरिक्स कहाँ ले जा रहा है, वेरिएशन ऊपर. हंसना या रोना हो मुझे पागल सा ढूंढूं मैं तुम्हें कल मुझको मुहाबत होना हो कल मुझको इजाजत होना हो सी है ना कैसे क्या किस तरीके से हो कल. अब आप इजाजत होना हो कल मुझको इजाजत होना हो. You have to just balance that tone. That's very important.